Hello, good
Yes.
evening. How are you, Nutan?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. What about you?
I'm good as well. Thank you so much for asking. Am I loud and clear? Are you able to hear me? Yeah?
Yes, yes, I can hear you properly.
All right. So let's have a quick round of introduction, Nutan. You can start and then I will follow.
Yes, yes,
And then
yes,
we
yes.
will have a wholesome conversation. Okay?
Yeah, sure, sure, of course. Yeah. So, as you know, my name is Nutan and I'm from Mathura. And I've just started working as a teacher. It has been 4 months. And I have a YouTube channel by the name of English with Nutan Deep. And I'm blessed with 2 kids. So, this is all about me. Thank you.
Wonderful. All right. I'll quickly tell
Thank you.
you about me. Very
Mm-hmm.
brief. My name is Rupali Sharma, born and brought up in Mumbai, currently located in Goa. I've got 8 to 9 years of corporate experience. Besides that, I've also worked as HR and relationship manager, etc., etc. And I am
Mm-hmm.
with Clappingo for a year now. It's been great
Okay.
meeting
Mm-hmm.
people, meeting
Okay.
people, talking.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. It's been a
Okay.
pleasant
Great.
experience. All right. So
Mm-hmm.
tell me, I understand that you are into YouTube, right? You
Yes,
make
yes.
great. What kind of
Videos.
videos do you make, Nutan? Would you want to kind of tell me?
Yeah, of course. See, initially when I just embarked the journey of making videos, meaning 4 years ago, so I used to be really fearful, even though I just, pushed myself forward to make videos so that I can do the practicing and all and doing the self-talk. So that time I used to make my solo videos. And talking about now, so it has been, I think, 10 months and I have been making conversational videos, but not really regular. I'm quite erratic because ever since I joined in the school, so I don't get much time for the, practicing for the conversation. So I'm quite swamped with my own work. Yeah.
Mhm, mhm. So, what kind of conversations do you have?
Sometimes like journal talks, sometimes taking any topics, and most of the time what I do, like it has been a few months. So what I do just to leverage the moment because I'm connecting with somebody. So they're like we are bound to speak anything, right? We are supposed to speak anything. And how can we utilize that moment and doing something productive? So what I do the we can say impromptu extempore, like on the spot I just give myself a topic. It's not about a huge massive topic. It's about, it could be anything, choosing any word and then talking about that, because I personally believe that that's a very nice way to explore ourselves, right? Because normally we can talk, but when it comes to talk on any topic, so many people out there, they just get stuck and they feel fear as well, they just hold themselves back. So this I
Mhm.
do. I make a lot of mistakes, but I am like I have to just keep myself going on anyhow, just so this I do.
Correct.
And sometimes I make my solo videos as well, like whenever I feel like I'm in the mood of making my solo video, so this I also do. I just sit in front of the camera and then I start speaking, talking about some few hard words and explaining them. And sometimes, like normally, I just connect and just imagine that somebody is watching me and then I'm speaking.
Mhm.
And it is also,
Mhm.
I think it has become really interesting as I can see the change. It's a drastic change, the way
Mhm.
now I speak and the way I earlier used to speak, because I had a big fear. I used to take it a kind of Herculean task, speaking with the people like this way, via video call and going out and speaking with them in person.
Mhm.
So that's a big deal. That used to be a big deal for me, but now I can speak. I don't give it a very much value when I make mistakes. It's okay. For me, it's okay.
Right. And how long you have been kind of since when you have been into this making videos?
It has been 4 years, but I count it 3 years because for 1 year I stopped everything. Not a single video I made. In my second year, everything I just abandoned. Again, third year I bounced back. Yeah.
Right. And when did you enroll with Clapper?
Sorry, come again.
Like since when are you with Clapping Go? How long it has been?
I think it's my seventh session.
All
Rishit
right.
sir, yeah, he
All
approached
right.
me for the conversation.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right. And what was your intention? Like with what what were your expectations when you joined Clap and Go? What were you looking forward to?
I can say I thoroughly enjoyed and I have been enjoying, because when you speak with such people who are, who are holding that big stature, as you are a tutor. I'm a kind of tutor, but I'm not tutor, to be very
Yeah,
honest, right? And
we all are the
you
same.
all people, yeah, you all people are holding a big stature as you have been doing work with Clappingo. It has been a long time,
Mm.
right? So it's great to speak with people and especially and specifically with the tutors because
Mm-hmm.
you are already into this, right? So,
Correct.
and yes, I'm just enjoying. It's really amazing talking with the tutors.
Yeah, very true. It's fun. It's at least I enjoy. I enjoy. It gives a greater satisfaction, having an impact or effect on somebody's life, contributing to somebody's success is
Yeah,
it
right.
in itself a kind of accomplishment. So yes, I completely resonate. All right.
Mhm.
Uh, what was your expectation from today's session? What were you looking forward to?
I had been thinking of taking any topic, not kind of topic. See, it's not about always taking topic. It could be in the form of scenarios as well. Any incident that occurred recently, anything. And when you hear that, what comes up in your mind? That I can correlate. Meaning that's the moment, and that's when I can explore myself because that time I'm just provoking my thoughts, all right, and I can do the churning and whatever is coming, it's not about making mistakes in the grammatical structure in the words, nothing. It's
Correct.
about what do you think and how can you pressurize your mind to
So you're
think
working on
and to
spontaneity.
contemplate. Sorry.
You're working on your spontaneity, right? You want to be
Yeah,
spontaneous.
yeah,
Yeah,
this I have been working
no
because I
one.
want to be like this way.
Fair enough. I completely understand because I think when you make videos or when you're in conversation and the kind of work that you're engaged in, there is more of spontaneity which is required, and you got to be on your toes. Absolutely have been learned with all kind of subjects, all kind of topics, because you never know what crops up when, right? So I understand the need. And I guess you have made a good choice because you would be having a lot of conversations with many people and
Yeah.
luckily with everyone who's learned and into it. So it's always
Hmm.
going to be an enriching and very learning experience. So yes, kudos. Thumbs up for making the correct choice.
Thank you.
All right.
Thanks a lot.
So I would really want to listen to you more. If you have anything, you can absolutely talk about makeup or as silly as shopping, as stupid as something that happened to you or
Okay.
your friend or anything, because I really want to listen to you so that I know more of you and I can also pitch in or contribute to some of my to of course your understanding with my observations of you. All right. So you can go ahead, Nutan. Do you have you thought about or you want to kind of anything coming to your mind at this point in time?
Yes, yes. Little different, I can say. Not
Sure.
related to me, but
Sure.
I one day I was like scrolling a few videos. So there I came to know. I think you might know Aman Malik. I think he's a singer or composer. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
So he has just alienated from his family, separated
Correct.
from his family and living a life of isolation.
Mm-hmm.
So can we talk on this? Sometimes we do this. Be it in the family, be it such a big personality, a big shot, because he is a big shot, yeah. So and they are leading such a beautiful life in the sense of facilities, right? Everything, money, everything, and luxurious life they are leading, even though they are going through such kind of emotional problems, right?
Correct.
Kind of dilemma, kind
Correct.
of turbulence, right? So
Correct.
we can talk about this, and I found it really weird because such a big personality and so many people. I think sometimes it just doesn't come out into the surface, and we just don't come to know. these things, right? But I think we should be pondering over such kind of things. Why these things are happening, and the person who is going through, why does he do so, right? The person, like, I'm not really sure about his name, Aman Malik, or I think Arman Malik's brother, elder brother.
Right.
So he just
Right.
got, separated, estranged from the family, saying this, I no longer have the connection with the family, specifically with his brother, I think. I'm not really sure. It's been a long time, but kind of meaning the topic I'm saying.
No,
Okay,
you're
this
doing
happens.
amazing job, Nutan. Do not doubt yourself. You're doing an amazing job. And considering the fact that you just admitted that you haven't spoken for a quite long time, you are doing an amazing job. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So what I'm trying to tell you, like, it's so, awkward, and people who are going through such kind of emotional dilemma, and I can say the chaos, turmoil, right? So it's
Correct.
not good, and they have been suffering from some kind of, emotional issues. This is why that
Correct.
particular personality, he just took this decision, right? So
Mhm.
I think nowadays it's really prevalent everywhere in society. We can see, and many times it is being seen that in our, like, neighborhood or somewhere it is happening. But since he is a big shot, is a big personality, so it just came up in a such a, I
Mhm.
can say, large scale, like, through
Mhm.
the media, right? So the
Mhm.
thing is, why does this happen? It's somewhere we are not really strong inside. We don't want to let the people behave in their way. We want themselves to behave in our way. Okay, and sometimes we have much expectations, and the other thing could be, the reason could be, another reason could be here, that you know somebody, let's say we are two, like, I have my another sister, and she is, like, kind of, she is being pampered and all. Okay, hypothetically I'm saying. So here I am,
Mhm.
being a big personality. I'm thinking, why this the she is being pampered and all, always people are loving, family members are loving like this way. So somewhere I have harbored so many, misconceptions towards her. That's not really right, and somewhere I'm being envious with her, like, I'm kind of, having the jealousy. Okay, so this just going to be fostering, cultivating in my mind, and just since that day it just started. Okay, or originated. Okay, and then it's a massive emotional,
Mhm.
pain, and it just
Mhm.
soar up, going on and on, soaring up. Yeah, so many
Nice.
things, and such a big decision he made. That particular personality, it's a really huge decision he made, and out of compulsion, out of such feeling and pressure, he just made such kind of, you know
Mm.
decision. So that's the, I think, while taking that decision, he might be not feeling that, comfortable, and he might be
Correct.
having this much, I can say, it was kind of excruciating pain inside
Mhm.
him. This is why he took this decision. But there could be so many reasons, like, it's various in numbers, and it might vary as well,
Mhm.
person to person, individual to individual, but it is happening. We just get estranged from the loved ones, right? And same thing he did, out of the compulsion, out of any emotional, pain. Yeah.
Correct. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Thanks a million. All right.
Thank
So
you.
we can quickly. All
Mhm.
right. I really want you to relax. There's nothing to be nervous about. All right. I am here to listen to you and just help you further. You're already
Mhm.
there, right? So
Yeah.
you don't get nervous about. And I'm not.
No, I'm not. I'm
It's
not.
so, I would be the last person on this earth to be judgmental. So relax. Okay, there are no
Yeah,
judgment.
I am cool. I'm cool as a cucumber. Yeah.
Yes, great. Okay. Uh, Inputs. Okay, I will talk about the good first. Okay.
Okay.
Excellent effort, vocabulary. Superb. Thumbs up. 5 stars. You can enhance it further by not using many words,
Okay.
or rather, to put it another way, use the appropriate or the most appropriate word. Because I saw you were trying to, in order to kind of explain, or you're not sure, you used all the three words: turmoils, estranged, and two, three
Alienated.
more, right? So
Alienated.
don't have to. The one word which suits the best for the emotion that you're trying to emote. All right, that's number one.
Mm-hmm.
But I really give you a thumbs up for using amazing vocabulary throughout the whole conversation. And you are bingo, you use the words correct as well, in the correct form and in the correct way of speaking. However, there
Thank
were
you.
mistakes here and there when it comes to sentence formation. This I do. Very basic rule, subject comes first. I do
Yeah,
this,
right.
right? So it happens when you try to kind of exaggerate, you tend to
Yeah, narrate
make
or
it
narrate.
complex, and then
Yeah.
you kind of happen to make mistakes. So it's okay. Third thing is, I guess your regional accent is intercepting the English pronunciation, but surprisingly, the difficult words have been pronounced amazingly well. And the simple words are the words that are suffering. Okay, like for
Okay.
example, there, 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 right?
Okay.
SPOT, spot.
Yeah.
These are very simple words that you use probably every single day, and this is where the mistake is happening. So get the pronunciations point on. If
Mm-hmm.
need, maybe practice as many times as possible. That is the only way out for you, because you know the spelling, you know the word, you know the pronunciation. It's just that it slips your mind or it slips your tongue, either of it, and the mistake happens. So that is number 4. Uh, and the final thing is, I think you need to be more confident. You are already confident, but the moment you try and use 2 3 sentences to explain the same emotion, same expression, or the same episode or event, proves, like for example, now I said same, 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 it sounded unsure, correct? So
Mm-hmm.
that's the only last thing I would want to tell you. Otherwise, as a package, amazing, good, excellent. You can only get better.
Thank you. Thanks a
Welcome.
million.
You're always welcome. Anything else you have doubts about, or you want to ask me, or anything?
I would like to ask one question, which is, so many people, kind of, I can say the beginner who have just started their journey of learning English. So they get stuck thinking that where they need to start and what should be the kind of stuff for the reading, and what kind of stuff they should be watching or listening, meaning podcast. So they just get stuck over there. They have a confusion. So I would like to have a stance from your side, your point of view, and any suggestion. Your voice not coming.
That's
You're not
because
audible.
I erroneously kind of got into mute. Okay. Now I was saying the same question asked to different people, the answers and the perspective may change. So my
Hmm.
perspective of on this particular answer, the question is, I am a very, I would say, to the core person. I would, if I need to learn a language, I would definitely acknowledge the reason why I want to learn the language and the purpose. Okay. The purpose, for example,
Hmm.
there are few people who would want to kind of sound good or want to kind of converse more, which is why they choose to learn. There are few people who would learn only for professional reasons, right? So
Hmm.
acknowledge the reason or the purpose that you're learning the language for. And that will give you the different ways or the means that you can adapt in order to
Hmm.
learn the language. In my case, it was strictly professional when I had begun. All right, which is why I specifically kind of what do you say, made efforts to get the grammar correct, get the pronunciation correct, because I started my corporate with US and UK, wherein US was still little leeway. Australia was also little leeway. However, UK, the Brits were very specific. They will not take A for an and an for A. If it has to be A, it has to be A. All right. Which is why I got a little more specific. So my grammar or my pronunciation, my diction, this is all that I worked around. And when I moved forward, when I had started having conversation with the clients, with my colleagues, or with the onshore people, I also acknowledge that I need to learn and understand and get to know more. Why? Because conversations normally wouldn't happen around your office or your file or whatever. The conversations happen around sports, around how do you find work, your friends, your festivals, your culture. So these are the very basic things. So therefore, I learned that it is also important for you to have knowledge. In order to have knowledge, I started reading more and reading
Okay.
as many writers as possible, because every individual who writes will have his or her knack of writing, right? In order to understand everyone's language, you need to know every knack which is out there, right? Which is where the genres come to the picture, right? Genres are like, say, horror or a thriller, or these are the different genres. Similarly, different writings, I started learning more or reading more. So this is how I developed my language. My learning was around getting knowledgeable and perfect. Then being flaunting, flashing, that was not my thing. That was not my purpose as well. I am saying this because I see more and more people learning because they want to flaunt, because they want to be in there, because they don't want to get left out. Or I understand that is also very justified. But in that case, what happens is people take more, or other inclination is towards getting accent, yeah, using heavy
Yeah.
words. But that is
Yeah.
not only what the language is about. Yeah, speaking right is equal to speaking well. For me, the math is very same, as in very simple. So yeah,
Yeah. But
you
it
learn
comes over
more
time.
practice. Yeah, absolutely. And it has to happen organically with a lot of practice. You cannot
Exactly.
expect miracles. Miracles do not happen when it comes to language, because language, to begin with, English is not a language. It was never a language. We have adapted it. Yeah, it just came to us, right? And we worked on it. So just give it some time, and I think it's doable. It's not impossible as such. So yeah,
Great.
I believe in
Okay.
learning right rather than learning more. So it's more of a quality than a quantity.
Yeah, that's true. So I would like to ask one more question. That is, like, for how long have you been in this field? Meaning with Clappingo, you're working and all.
Language, Clappingo is just 1 year, not much time. But
And before that, yeah.
I have worked for corporates. So corporates is like, the best thing about corporates is it trains you whole, like, it's a wholesome experience.
Holistic, holistic
Absolutely holistic.
development.
Absolutely. Absolutely. It kind of
For how many years?
I have worked for corporates for 8 to 9 years.
That makes a big sense,
Yeah,
because you have been working over there, and now for 1 year you have been working with Clappingo. Talking about, like,
correct.
I'm not comparing, but the thing is, I have been doing it for 4 years, but I never ever been really, regular, and I have done it by my own. Whatever, like, I am right now, the personality I am, the
Correct.
way I'm speaking and connecting with the people, be it
Right.
using words, be it the sentence formation, anything, and the way I
Right.
sound, everything. So I have done this by my own, no help, neither with any like apps or something, and
You
nor
don't have the
any like
acquaintance
course.
also, right? You
Yeah,
don't have the
right.
acquaintance as well. So it's a bigger
So
challenge.
this I would like to like clarify, because of this, because I never ever try to get any help. You know,
Mm-hmm.
I'm like,
Mm-hmm.
whatever I'm doing, I'm enjoying the process. When
Correct.
I'm not getting the result, it's okay. The thing is, I am improving, and if I look back, back then 4 years ago, what I was like, I have been
Mm-hmm.
doing, and I used to do. So I think
Mm-hmm.
that's a remarkable change. At least I can
Absolutely.
communicate with people, right? So I think
Absolutely.
there is no comparison that exists, because
Absolutely.
my journey is totally different, and to become this much, capable. to have the
Right.
authority to speak.
Agree.
You have the authority to speak, but I don't
Correct.
have that kind of authority as you do, right?
Yep.
So for
It
that, to
makes all
reach
the
that
difference.
level, yeah, to
Right.
reach that level, I need to do the things, regularly,
Consistency.
consistently,
Yes.
and I need to dedicate timing as well, as I'm
Right.
totally tied up with my own work.
Right.
So I don't take out time for the conversation, and the person who has been doing for a very long time. So yeah, it makes a
Makes
big
it
difference.
correct.
There's a huge difference over there.
For
But I
you,
would not, yeah,
in your case, I guess for English to become a second language for you, it will not take much time. You're already on the correct path. It will just take your consistency and your efforts that you put in, as you correctly said a while ago. And you're already
yeah,
there. So just keep doing
yeah.
it.
And I can say, just I can just guarantee that in upcoming 6 months, I would be a different personality. Why? Because I am now working. Okay, so the school is totally affluent, and I will be getting the chance to speak with so many people, meaning on the stage, on the dais, right? And
Yes.
having
In
the
campus, it's going to more
group discussion,
experience.
everything. Yeah. So I
Right.
have just initiated this journey. So
Correct.
over time, I will be having that kind of capacity, right? Uh,
Absolutely. No
Not I
doubts
am
about
having this time, but in upcoming months,
it.
I'm
Yeah.
dead sure
Getting
about that.
better
Yeah.
is everyone's dream. Everyone wants to get better. So I'm sure.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. I can see that. I can vision that.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I second
Okay.
your thought. Chalo, it's been
Okay.
nice coming
Yeah.
across, and I
Yes.
will
Yes.
see you one more time. Yeah.
Yeah. It was
Hopefully.
great. Yeah. It was great connecting with you. Thank you so
Same.
much. You gave me your precious time. Thank you.
You're always welcome, dear. Chalo, you
Okay
take care.
then.
Bye,
Yeah.
Nitin. Have a
Yeah.
nice
Bye.
evening.
Yes. You take care too. Bye.